Alright, so here we have 2 coats of Peach Melba from Pure Ice, and here we have 2 coats of Keep It Surreal from OPI. I am going to try to bring these colors up to full opacity, so I think Peach Melba will take about 6 coats, and the OPI will take its usual 5. It does go on a bit streaky. See how I messed up my middle finger, and when I went back to kind of fix it, it deposited more color, which is why this one looks different than these 3 here. They look very similar when you just do 1 coat. After the 1 coat, they kind of go in their own direction. This one has, the bigger glitter chunks. They're not really the micro fine ones like the other Pure Ices that I swatched this week. But the color shift in the glitter from the OPI is identical to the color shift in the Pearl Essence effect on the Pure Ice. It has that peach to pinky purple. I don't know if it's registering so much on camera. I will be back later, once I add a couple more layers to see how they compare. I'm pretty sure this one will be way darker, and yeah, they have different finishes. They're not dupes. Really pretty though. I've always loved Peach Melba, especially when it's sheer like this. Not sure. Let's see if it picks up. No. See, natural light won't pick up the color. Wonder why that happens, where certain ones pick up color. Let's see if... Okay, there it is. You see that? Stop doing that. There we go. You see that effect? When I turn down my lighting slightly. Yeah. Oh crap, I just messed up my pinky. Oops. It happens. Let's see what happens when I do the light on this. Okay, there we go. You see what I mean? The glitter has that almost identical effect to... Yeah, I don't know why my camera won't hold that.